Good morning, friends. My today's topic is transfer of cases under Section 25 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 and Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. What are the different criteria for civil and criminal cases? I am going to discuss that. Firstly, I am coming to transfer of civil cases, that is Section 25 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908. This provision empowers the Supreme Court to transfer a civil case, appeal, or proceeding from one High Court or civil court to another in the interest of justice. So, I will talk about the criteria for transfer. First one is convenience of the parties. The transfer must serve the convenience of parties, including geographical, financial, and logistical consideration. For example, cases where one party resides far away from the court of jurisdiction. Second criteria is interest of justice, ensuring a fair trial. If bias, partiality, or an apprehension of such prejudice is alleged in the local jurisdiction. I can give you the example situation where the presiding judge or court is accused of bias. Third criteria is avoidance of multiplicity, preventing conflicting judgments where multiple related cases are filed in different jurisdictions. Then comes the public interest. A case may be transferred to a neutral venue if it involves significant public interest or affects a large number of people. Now, you will say, what is the procedure? The procedure is a petition is filed in the Supreme Court under Section 25, which has the exclusive power to entertain and decide on such matters. Now, what type of situation can be? It can be matrimonial dispute where one spouse faces difficulty traveling to another jurisdiction. Second one can be cases involving parties from different states where an impartial form is sought. Now, let us talk to transfer of criminal cases, that is under Section 406 Criminal Procedure Code 1973. This Section 406 gives the Honorable Supreme Court the power to transfer a criminal case appeal from one High Court or criminal court to another if it is expedient for the end of justice. What is the criteria? The criteria is first one is fair trial. The transfer is essential to ensure a fair and impartial trial. If there is apprehension of local influence or bias in the court jurisdiction. Second one is witness of the convenience. The transfer may be sought to ease access for witnesses or to prevent threat or intimidation. Apprehension of threat if one of the party, especially the complainant or accused, faces a threat to life or safety in the current jurisdiction. Avoidance of prejudice. Cases where public sentiment or media coverage may lead to prejudicial trial. Then comes the public interest. Similar in civil cases, this too in criminal cases affecting the public at large may warrant transfer to maintain public confidence in the justice system. Procedure is a petition is filed in the Supreme Court under Section 406, supported by evidence or material showing the necessity for transfer. Now, situations for criminal cases, criminal cases involving influential individuals where there is risk of manipulation of the justice system, cases in which the accused or victim face hostility in the current jurisdiction. These are the cases, situations where we can request for transfer. Now, if you see the common ground in both the cases, both provisions aim to serve the end of justice. Honorable Supreme Court has exclusive jurisdiction in both cases to transfer matters interstate or between courts under different high courts. So this was what about I want to say in the case. You might have enjoyed the video. I would like and request you to subscribe.